Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment, install the target JDK, and locate its full path. Once done, make sure Android Studio is closed and back up your project settings. You want to know the current Java home and any explicit org. Gradle. Java, home in Gradle. Properties. This prevents surprises. Now open Android Studio settings to change the JDK for projects. This first step is about ensuring the right JDK is installed and that you can point to it precisely. You now change Android Studio's configuration. Open Settings or Preferences and go to Build Tools, then Gradle. Set the Gradle JDK dropdown to the newly installed version or add its path. Make sure project structure also points to the same JDK for modules. Then edit Gradle. Properties in your project root to add or update org. Gradle. Java, home to the exact JDK path. This forces Gradle to use it. After saving, sync the project and watch the Gradle sync output for any JDK-related messages. You finish by validating the change, run Flutter clean, Flutter pub-get, and rebuild the app. Make sure the build logs show the intended JDK path. If something breaks, check that Java home, the Gradle. Properties entry, and Android Studio's Gradle JDK all point to the same folder. Mismatches are the usual culprit. If issues persist, run Java version and Gradle version on the command line to confirm behavior. Then roll back or reinstall the JDK before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.